Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to succeed with Amazon dropshipping in 2026, step by step, in a way that actually makes sense for beginners. No hype, no fake promises, just how Amazon dropshipping really works today and how to do it the right way. If you want to build an online business without holding inventory, this video is for you. So let's keep this simple. What Amazon dropshipping really is. Amazon dropshipping means you list a product on Amazon. You don't keep stock. When someone orders, your supplier ships the product. But here's the important part. Amazon has strict rules. Right? You must be the seller of record, remove supplier branding, handle customer service, follow Amazon's dropshipping policy. If you ignore this, your account can be suspended. Now, choose the right Amazon selling account. You need an Amazon seller account. You have two options. Really: individual account or professional account. For dropshipping, professional account is better. So when I try to sign up, it says there is a technical problem, right, or technical issues. But in your case, you can just go ahead and sign up using your existing Amazon account and choose, of course, professional account. Why? Access to more tools, better scalability, no per item fee. This is your business foundation. Now pick the right products. Product choice decides everything. Good Amazon dropshipping products, around 20 to 60 bucks. Lightweight, not fragile, no brand restrictions, high demand, low competition. Avoid branded items, electronics, fragile products, or restricted categories. Simple product wins. Right? Find reliable suppliers. Right? And do this carefully. Your supplier must ship fast, use neutral packaging, allow dropshipping, and be consistent. Common supplier types: local wholesalers, private suppliers, verified platforms. Never rely on random suppliers without testing. Order the product yourself first, if possible, or if necessary. Now, create your Amazon product listing. Your listing must look professional and trustworthy. Right? Focus on Amazon product title. Right? Bullet points with benefits, honest descriptions, accurate images, clear shipping info. Right? Amazon buyers decide fast. Clarity sells. Now, the price for profit, but stay competitive. Amazon is competitive, really. Here's the pricing formula that you should use. Selling price minus product cost minus Amazon fees equals profit. Right? Aim for 5 to 15 bucks profit, or $5 to $15 profit per product at the start. Don't race to the bottom. Consistency beats cheap pricing. And handle orders the right way. When an order comes in, customer pays you. You order from supplier ships to customer. You upload tracking to Amazon, right? So always use your business name. Remove supplier invoices, monitor shipping times. Amazon cares a lot about customer experience, right? And manage customer service like a pro. This is where beginners fail, really. You must answer messages quickly, handle returns politely, refund when needed, keep metrics clean. Happy customers, healthy account. And scale with Amazon ads. Once you get sales, get an Amazon or use Amazon sponsored ads. Promote winning products only. Start with small daily budgets. Ads help you rank faster, get visibility, best competitors. Okay? Never run ads on untested products. Okay? Now, use simple automation without breaking any rules. You can automate order tracking updates, price monitoring, inventory sync, but never automate in a way that violates Amazon policy. For safety first, always. All right. Now, avoid using retail stores as suppliers, ignoring Amazon rules, selling restricted products, poor customer service, trying to scale too fast. Amazon rewards patience. Now, let's set realistic expectations. Right? The first month would be learning plus setup. Month 2 or 3, first consistent sales. Long-term scalable business, stable income, repeatable system. Amazon dropshipping is not fast money. It's real money. Okay? So basically, yeah, that's it. Amazon dropshipping in 2026 excuse me, still works if you follow the rules, choose the right products, use reliable suppliers, treat it like a real business. You don't need a warehouse, big capital, or fancy tools. You need discipline and consistency. If you want product research strategies, supplier sourcing methods, Amazon listing optimization, account safety tips, like the video, subscribe, and comment below Amazon so I can know that you watched the whole video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.